Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Placement Zone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the onboarding update. Before starting our video, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe now and click the bell icon. Chalo, let's go into the video. So my friend raised a ticket about the onboarding update and he got a response like this. Dear candidate, welcome to the Accenture family. We are working on your onboarding plan. You will receive an email 2 weeks prior of your scheduled onboarding date from the email address. You will be notified on your date of joining, and access to countdown to Accenture will be enabled 2 weeks prior to the GOJ date of joining. Post access is granted. An auto-generated email will be shared to your registered email ID to compare the onboarding process. So if you carefully observe this, guys, in this email they mention like we are working on our onboarding plan. It means they are considering us for the next onboarding. It means it was in September or October. So they considering us as for next onboarding. They're preparing us. They mention like we are working on your onboarding plan. And if you carefully observe this line, welcome to the Accenture family. Because why they mention like we are accepted our offer letter. So that's why they mention to welcome to the Accenture family. And some members are thinking like we got offer letters. Definitely we got onboarding or not, like this. So if you get offer letter, definitely you got onboard email. Don't worry about it. Definitely you got to onboard email, but it takes some time, guys. 1 or 2 months. And if you observe this line, you will be notified on your date of joining, and access to countdown to Accenture will be enabled 2 weeks prior of the date of join. And post access is granted an auto generated email. Guys, they're saying like they give date of join before 2 weeks. Like so for suppose we can consider as September 6 or September 14 as have one onboarding. So definitely we get an update in the at the ending of this month. It means August ending, the August last week, we definitely get an update about the onboarding. For suppose our onboarding is on September 28, then we get update on this September starting first week. September first week definitely get an one update about the onboarding. Sometimes it's delay, guys, or sometimes if they doesn't have any business requirement, they didn't give onboarding to us. They give this letter. But now Accenture recent days give lot of onboardings now, so we have small hope. So definitely Accenture give onboarding now. So they definitely give onboarding to us. Don't worry about it. And if I get any news about the onboarding process or onboarding update, I definitely made a video on it. If you want that video, please do subscribe to my channel now and click the bell icon. You will be notified whenever I post my video on my channel when you click the bell icon. And if you have any doubts regarding document verification or documents approval or offer letter acceptance or anything, ask me in the comment section. I definitely reply your comments. And that's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.